Hey everyone, it's Jaclyn. So today I want to share with you guys how I style my hair, especially when I'm in a rush and running out the door. This would be perfect for back to school season or back to work season. I'm actually working with Batiste on this video and I'm super excited about it because I don't wash my hair every single day. I'm a very busy human. I'm sure you're busy as well. So I'm always looking for quick solutions for those non-wash days to extend my hair life and to keep it looking fresh. So that is where, that was not supposed to happen. Let me try that again. So that is where this baby comes in. This is the Batiste dry shampoo. This one's in original. Batiste dry shampoo has been in my life for a very long time and it has been saving my life for a very long time. So I'm gonna show you how I like to style my hair with this and get my hair looking a bit better than this right now. So to start off, I'm just gonna brush out my hair. Okay, so how to use this baby. There's 3 easy steps. Step 1, shake the bottle. So you're gonna hold the bottle about 30 centimeters away from your head. You wanna section off your hair. You wanna do it in little parts. So you're gonna hold it, spray. So take a new section, do the same thing. You wanna make sure that you're spraying it right into the roots of your hair. Whew. Okay, step 2, massage thoroughly with your fingers. So you just kind of want to make sure it's all nice and in there. For some reason, I always flip my head upside down when I do this. So I go like this, and then do it this way. Okay, and then step 3, you want to just gently brush through your hair. This will just make sure that the product is all blended in perfectly. Okay, so for my first go-to hairstyle, you're gonna need a curling iron or a curling wand. I actually like to use the curling wand. This is what I use on my hair all the time. So, I'm just gonna plug this baby in. I'm gonna do my best not to knock you guys over as I do this. Personally, I always like to center part my hair. I just find it's the most flattering on my face shape. That looks pretty centered, right? I think so. So I'm just gonna take a little clip like this and just clip up some of my hair. You know what, this is the look in itself. This could be fashion. Maybe not. Okay, I think this is good to go. Yep, definitely hot. So what I'm gonna do is just take different little chunks of my hair and just curl it away from my face. So one thing to be sure of is don't let the ends of your hair go around the wand. I kind of like them to be a bit more straight. It makes it look a little more beachy and a little more effortless. So you see, I'm keeping the end off the heat. And again, even on this side, you wanna make sure that the curls are going away from your face. So this has been my go-to hairstyle for literally years. And then what I like to do is just take my fingers and just kind of tousle it up a little bit. Do a little shake of the hair, a little flip. Okay, so once you've successfully given yourself whiplash, you're ready to go. Okay, so there is hairstyle number 1. Just, you know, your waves every day, easy, low maintenance. You get the vibe. Okay, so this hairstyle is if I want to put a little more effort into doing my hair, maybe I have a little more time, and I just want to, you know, change it up. So to start, you're just going to take the top section of your hair. I like to kind of follow the top of my ear and get a really clean line back there. And just brush it all back. Now I love the look of a super tight high pony. These little brushes with like the tons of little bristles are really good for smoothing out your hair. Then just grab a little elastic, tie it off. And I kind of like my ponies to be coming out at the top versus facing back. Just gives it a little more volume. Then I'm just gonna grab a little bit of hairspray and actually spray it onto my brush. And I'm gonna use that to smooth down any little baby hairs. Now I never like to have any elastic showing, so what I'm gonna do is wrap the hair around it. So a little tip for making sure the hair covers it perfectly, you're gonna actually wanna curl it in a really tight spiral, and then that way it'll fit around the base of the pony perfectly. Now I'm just gonna take the hair, make sure it's covering the elastic, and just wrap it around. And when you get to the bottom, just take a little pin and pin that little tail down. Doesn't that just make the ponytail look a lot more finished and a lot more like fancy? Now we are still not done. The last thing that I like to do, and this is something that I wish I knew about when I was younger, and that's taking a little bit of eyebrow powder or like a dark eyeshadow and filling in any spots of your hairline that maybe aren't as full as you'd like them to be. So you can see here on the sides of my heads, I'm like kind of bald there. I don't know why, just that's the way my hair grows. So I'm just gonna take this lighter brown, and this one's more of like a gray kind of color. So you're just gonna wanna kind of press and blend out. You can see it really makes a big difference. Like what? And then there you go. There is the half up, half down, snatched ponytail hairstyle. Okay, now time for the final hairstyle. Even though I don't want to take this hairstyle out, but I'm going to. Okay, this looks amazing, I know. Now the final hairstyle that I'm gonna do is kind of like the ultimate, I'm rushing, I need to get out of the house in 2 minutes, but I still want my hair to look kind of done. That's this look. So you're just gonna flip your hair upside down and do a really tight high pony. So I'm gonna be doing a top knot, but I'm gonna take it literally and actually knot my hair. So what you're gonna do is take your hair and split it into 2 sections. And then we're gonna actually tie it in a knot, which I know sounds really scary, but I promise it won't actually leave a knot in your hair. So you're just gonna tie it like you're tying, you know, a pair of shoes. And then you got this cool little bun. So I'm just gonna take a few little pins and pin this first knot in place. And I'm just gonna take the tail and wrap it around itself a little bit and pin that down. And then this one is gonna go around the opposite way. Whoa, what is going on back here? I'm just gonna take a little bit of hairspray and lock it in place. Okay, so there is the top knot. So what I really like about this is that it's a little more elevated than just your regular messy bun, because once you get up close, you kind of see the knot and you see the twist, so it makes it a little more interesting, but it still is super quick, and it's off your face, you don't have to worry about it. It's just chilling, you know? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit about my go-to hairstyles that are perfect, especially for when you're in a rush. And actually, speaking of being in a rush, I actually have to go. I'm actually gonna take this little baby with me while I go out. This one here is the mini size Batiste. Look it. So there's the big size, and then there's also the little baby size. How cute is it? This is also really great for taking to the airport, just on a side note. Now actually, this baby normally lives in my backpack, so that's exactly where this is going. And speaking of going, I'm gonna head on out. Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these little hairstyles, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.